Hello, my friend. Welcome back. I'm happy you're here. Take a breath. Relax. You're in the right place. Today's question is simple. Can you really practice English alone? Many learners worry, I have no partner, no teacher, no English-speaking environment. How can I improve? Here's the truth. You can. You can practice alone. You can grow fast. You just need the right method. And you can start today, at home, on the bus, during a short break. In this lesson, I'll show you how. Step by step. Simple. Friendly. Clear. Ready? Let's begin. Step 1. Talk to yourself. Many learners wait for a partner before they start speaking. This is a mistake. Your best partner is always with you. It's you. Talking to yourself is one of the most powerful ways to practice because it trains your brain and mouth together. Silent thinking may help, but it is not enough. Your tongue must move. Your voice must practice. That's how real fluency grows. The method is simple. Look around and describe what you see. Say what you are doing. This is my bag. I am walking. I am cooking rice. Small, simple sentences. No pressure, no audience, only you. Step by step, your words become smoother. I once had a student named Mira. She lived in a small town with no one to practice English with. At first, she felt hopeless. Then I told her to start with just one line a day. She tried. One line became 2, then 3. After 1 month, she was speaking full sentences to herself. When she finally met an English speaker, her mouth was already trained. She was ready. That is the power of talking to yourself. Simple, free, and always available. Step 2. Record your voice. Many learners avoid recording their voice. They say, I sound strange. I don't like it. This is another mistake. Your voice is your tool, and recording is one of the fastest ways to improve. Here's why. When you speak, you don't notice your mistakes. But when you listen back, you hear them clearly. You hear your pronunciation. You hear your pauses. You hear your progress. Recording makes the invisible visible. Start small. Pick a topic. Speak for 1 minute. Record it. Listen again. Repeat tomorrow. Day by day, you will hear yourself getting smoother. My student Aaron hated recording at first. He told me, Sir, I feel nervous even when I'm alone. But he kept going. After 30 days, he compared his first recording with his last. The difference shocked him. His voice was clear. His sentences were natural. His fear was gone. That is the power of recording. It turns your phone into your teacher. Step 3. Think in English. Most learners translate in their head. They think in their language first, then change it into English. This makes speaking slow and stressful. If you want fluency, you must learn to think directly in English. The mistake is trying to think too big at the start. Learners try to form long, complex sentences in English right away. They get stuck. They give up. The solution is to start small. Think simple thoughts. When you see an apple, think apple. When you feel hungry, think, I am hungry. When you walk outside, think, the sun is hot. One word, one line, one moment at a time. My student Hannah used to translate every word. Speaking felt like carrying a heavy bag. I told her, think in English for just 1 minute a day. She tried with her morning routine. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I drink tea. After a few weeks, she stopped translating. She was free. Step 4. Read and speak aloud. Many learners read silently. Silent reading builds knowledge, yes, but it does not build speaking skill. Your mouth needs practice, not just your eyes. The mistake is reading too fast and skipping words. Slow down. Open your mouth. Feel the words as you say them. Read with clear voice. Read with feeling. Pick a short text, a story, an article, even subtitles. Read it aloud every day. This builds pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. My student Diego used to read news articles silently. I asked him to read them aloud instead. At first, he stumbled. But with practice, his voice grew smoother, his pronunciation sharper, his speaking more confident. One day he told me, "Sir, I sound like a different person." That is the power of reading aloud. It turns knowledge into speech. Step 5. Shadow native speakers. Many learners only listen. They watch movies, listen to podcasts, hear English every day. But listening alone is not enough. To sound natural, you must copy, not just consume. The mistake is trying to shadow too fast. Learners jump into long sentences and get frustrated. The right way is to start small. Play one short sentence, pause, repeat, copy the rhythm, copy the tone, copy the emotion. Step by step, your mouth learns the music of English. My student Layla practiced shadowing with TED Talks. At first, she could only follow a few words. Slowly, she copied whole sentences. After weeks, her accent softened. Her speech flowed. She said, "Sir, it feels like I borrowed their voice until it became mine." That is the power of shadowing. It lets you practice fluency before you fully own it.